Finally, we are going to see how to buy Galo in our ICO. When this counter goes down to 0, you will see this. You can buy Galo using Ethereum network and BNB network. There are two windows. The number of Galos you want to buy or the number of token you want to use. First thing, you need to connect your wallet. Press Connect Wallet. You can choose MetaMask and many other smart wallets. In MetaMask you have to start in Ethereum network, so you must change it. Here you put how many Galos do you want or how many Ethereum you want to use to buy Galos. There is a minimum of $10 to buy. When you click on Purchase button, you confirm the transaction. Ethereum is a little bit slow, so you have to be patient. In the History button you will see all the transactions that you have done in Galo. You will have to wait 5 minutes to see your Galos in your wallet. You will be able to pay in different currencies. ETH, BNB, BUSD, USDT, USDC. We will be adding BTC and others soon. So stay tuned to our website.